Hello everyone, welcome to maths class. All of you know that we are going through chapter number 8, that is decimals, and we have already completed some topics from this chapter. But before starting your today's class, so first of all let us talk about the topic, which topic you have learnt in your previous class. In your previous class you have learnt about decimals. What is called decimals? The fractional number having denominator 10, 100, 1000, etc. are called decimal fractions. And you have also learned decimal number consists of two parts, whole number part and decimal part. And decimal number has also a place value chart. You have already known about the place value chart of any whole number. The place value chart of any whole number is ones, tens. The place value of any whole number is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, etc. And similarly, the place value chart, the place value of any decimal part, as you know that the decimal number consists of two parts, whole part and another part is decimal part. So the place value of whole part, it is clear, it is known to everyone what is the place value, which are the place values of any whole part. But the place values of decimal part is tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. Okay, and you have also learned how can you represent any decimals on a number line. You have also learned using place value chart of any decimal number you can write any decimals number in expanded form. And you have learned about like and unlike decimals, which decimals number have same number of decimal places, that is called like decimals, and which decimals numbers does not have same number of decimal places, that is called unlike decimals. And you have learned how can you compare two decimals. So today our topic is conversion of decimals into fractions. Conversion of decimals. First we will learn about the conversion of decimals into fraction. How can you convert any decimals into fractions? How can you do that? First of all, you have to, for doing this, you have to follow up some steps. Okay. First of all, you have to write the decimal without decimal point as numerator of the fraction. First, what you need to do, first of all, you have to write the decimal without, the decimal number is given, so you have to write the decimal without the decimal point as numerator of the fraction. ফ্র্যাকশনের নিউমারেটরে আমাদের যে ডেসিমেল নাম্বারটা থাকবে সেই ডেসিমেল নাম্বারের পয়েন্টটাকে বাদ দিয়ে পুরো নাম্বারটাকে আমরা নিউমারেটরে লিখব. সো you have to convert this decimal number into fraction 6.75. So first of all we will write this decimal number without this decimal point in the numerator, 675. Okay, now write the denominator. Now we need to write the denominator of the fraction. Now we need to write the denominator of the fraction by inserting as many zeros on the right of 1 as the number of decimal places in the given decimals. Now how many decimals numbers are there in this decimal, how many decimal places are there in this decimal number? 1, 2 place. So now we need to insert 0 to the right side of 1 in the numerator. As there are two number of 0, so here we have written 1 then 20, that is 100. Okay, now we need to simplify the fraction and write the fraction in lowest form. You know, in the fraction chapter, you have learned how can you simplify the fraction, or how can you convert the fraction into lowest form. This is divisible by 5. This is also divisible by 5. Because the ones digit is 5, ones digit is 0. So now we will cancel this, or we will divide this by 5. 5 ones are 5, then 1, 17, 5 3s are 15, 16, 72, 25, 5 5s are 25. Then 5 2s are 10, 20. Then 5 2s are 10. This is also divisible by 5 and this is also divisible by 5. So we can divide both denominator and numerator by any same number. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. Then 5 4s are 20. Then 27 by 5, 4. This is a improper fraction. We can convert this into mixed fraction. 4 6 are 24. 3 6 are 3 by 4. This will be the answer. Okay. Next one. 924.275. Now we will convert this into fraction. 924.275. So first we will 924.275. So first of all we will write the numerator of the fraction without the decimal point in the decimal number. 92475. Okay. Now we will write the denominator. First of all we will write 1. Then how many zeros will come here? In the decimal number there are 1, 2, 3. 3 number of decimal places. So we will write 3 0. Okay. Now we will simplify this fraction and we have to write the fraction in lowest form. This is divisible by 5 because the ones digit is 5. This is also divisible by 5 because the ones digit is 0. 5 ones are 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 42. 5 8s are 40. 2, 24. 5 4s are 24. 47. 5 9s are 45. 46, 47, 2. 5 5s are 25. Then this is 5 2s are 10, 200. Okay. Now, this is also divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15. 16, 17, 18, 34. 5 6 are 30. 4, 49. 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. This is 5. 40s are 200. Students, look at here. The number will be 92.475. Okay. So this is 3699 by 40. There is no common divisor. So 3699 by 40. Okay. You can see that this is the improper fraction. Can you tell me why is this improper fraction? This is improper fraction because the numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, numerator is greater than denominator. 4 9s are 30, 360, 99, 42s are 80, 9, 1. So 92 whole 19 by 40. Okay. So I hope all of you can understand how can you convert any decimal into fractions. Now students, we will learn the converse part. That is, how can you convert any fractions into decimal. Just before you have learned how can you convert any decimals into fractions. Now you will learn how can you convert any fractions into decimal. First we will learn fractions having denominator 10, 100, 1000, etc. First of all, we will learn those fractions have denominator as 10, 100, 1000. How can you convert that type of fraction into decimal? Okay. যে ফ্র্যাকশনগুলোর ডিনোমিনেটরে 10 থাকবে, 100 থাকবে, 1000 থাকবে, হাউ ক্যান ইউ কনভার্ট দ্যাট টাইপ অফ ফ্র্যাকশনস ইনটু ডেসিমেলস? For doing this, you have to follow up some steps. Count the number of zeros in the denominator. Count the number of zeros in the denominator. First of all, you have to count the number of zeros in the denominator. Then what you need to do? Then you have to place the decimal point. But where you will place the decimal point? You have to place the decimal point in numerator such that the number of digits on right of decimal point becomes equal to the number of zeros in the denominator. That means how many zeros are there in the denominator, you have to place decimal before that many digit in the numerator. ডিনোমিনেটরে ঠিক যতগুলো জিরো থাকবে, নিউমিনেটরের সেই নাম্বারের ঠিক ততগুলো ডিজিটের আগে ডেসিমেল পয়েন্টটাকে প্লেস করতে হবে। ওকে, in case the number of digit in numerator is less than the number of zeros in denominator, is less than the number of zeros in denominator, we place 0 just right to decimal. That means যখন কোনো একটা ফ্র্যাকশনাল নাম্বারের দেখা যাচ্ছে যে ডিনোমিনেটরে যতগুলো জিরো আছে, নিউমিনেটরের ডিজিট নাম্বারটা মানে তার থেকে কম ডিজিট আছে, হাউ ক্যান ইউ প্লেস দ্যাট ডেসিমেল পয়েন্ট? দেন কোনো একটা নাম্বারের লেফট সাইডে যদি জিরো দরকার হয়, আমরা জিরো বসাবো, দেন জিরো বসিয়ে আমরা ডেসিমেল পয়েন্টটাকে প্লেস করব। ওকে, look at here. First of all, we have to count the number of zero. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 number of zeros are there. So we have to place decimal point before 3 digit in the numerator number. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So decimal will be placed before 9. Before 3 digit. Next, in this case, here are 2 number of zeros. So we need to place point before 2 digit. 1, 2 digits. So 3.71. Next one. 1, 2, 3. Here is 3 number of zeros. So we have to place decimal before how many? Number 1, 2, 3. But before decimal there is no digit. That is, there is no whole part. So we can place here 0. Okay. Next, here is 16 by 1000. Here are 1, 2, 3 number of zero, but in the numerator there are only 2 digits. 1, 2. But we have to place decimal before 3 digits. So 1, 2. So there is no digit. That means we can replace here 0. Okay, and before the decimal point there is no digit, so we can place here also 0. So 0.016. Okay, so when numerator denominator থেকে কম ডিজিট থাকবে, আমরা আমাদের প্রয়োজন মতো যে যতগুলো জিরো আমাদের লাগবে ততগুলো জিরো আমরা বসাতে পারবো। Okay, clear? I hope it is clear to everyone. How can you convert fractions having denominator 10, 100, 1000, etc. into fraction? Now, if the fractions do not have the denominator 10, 100, 1000, etc., then how can you convert that type of fractions into decimal? আমরা শিখলাম যে কোনো ফ্র্যাকশনের ডিনোমিনেটরে যখন 10, 100, 1000 এইগুলো থাকছে, আমরা কিভাবে সেটাকে কনভার্ট করতে পারছি কিসে, সেটা আমরা কিভাবে কনভার্ট করতে পারছি একটা ডেসিমেল নাম্বারে। বাট যখন কোনো 10, 100 থাকবে না, তখন আমাদের কি সেই ফ্র্যাকশনটাকে ডেসিমেল নাম্বারে কনভার্ট করার প্রয়োজন হতে পারে। সো হাউ ক্যান ইউ ডু দ্যাট? This is very simple. You have to divide the numerator by the denominator and write the quotient in decimal form. Okay, so let us understand this with the help of some example. 21 by 8. 21 upon 8. You have to divide the numerator by the denominator. You have to divide the numerator by the denominator. That is, you have to divide 21 by 8. Okay, this is how. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So 8 2s are 16. 21 minus 16 is 5. Okay, so 5 is less than 8. 5 is less than 8. So now we will take when we can get a reminder, and when this reminder will be less than the divisor, then we will take decimal point in the quotient. Okay, and for this point we can take here 0. 50, then 8 6 are 48. Then 50 minus 48 is 2, and this is also less than 8. So for this point, don't need to take another point. Okay, so for this point we can take here 0. Next, 8 2s are 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. For this point we can take here 0. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 2.625. 2.625. This will be the answer. Okay, this is how we can convert any type of fraction into decimal number. Any type of fraction into decimal number. Okay, so I hope all of you can understand well. Okay, so let us see which topic you have learned today. Today you have learned conversions of decimals into fractions. How can you do that? First of all, you have to write the numerator of the fraction. You have to write the numerator of the fraction. Which number you will write in the numerator? You have to write the decimal without decimal point as numerator of the fraction. Then you have to write the denominator. You have to write the denominator. First of all, you have to count how many decimal places are there in the decimal number. Then you have to write in the denominator 1, and after 1 you have to write that number of 0. যতগুলো decimal place থাকবে ঠিক ততগুলো 0 place করতে হবে. Now finally you have to convert the fractional number into simplest form. Okay, and how can you convert any fraction into decimal number? Which type of fractions have denominator 10, 100, 1000, etc. Then you have to count the denominator. You have to count the how many number of zeros in the denominator. Then you have to place the decimal point in the numerator before that many number of digit. ঠিক ডিনোমিনেটরে যতগুলো জিরো থাকবে ডেসিমেল পয়েন্টটাকে ঠিক নিউমারেটর ততগুলো ডিজিটের আগে ডেসিমেল পয়েন্টটাকে প্লেস করতে হবে. ওকে, if it is required to place 0, then you need to take 0 because when the number of digit in the numerator is less than the number of zeros in the denominator, then you have to place 0 before the digits of the numerator. But when the fractions do not have the denominator 10, 100, 1000, then you have to divide the numerator by the denominator and write the quotient in decimal form. I have learnt you just before. How can you do that? Okay, so I hope all of you can understand well. But if you have any queries in this class, or if you have any queries in any topic, which topic you have learned today, you can ask me.